Benchmark Academy, a unique online network that gives educators exclusive access to the high-quality professional development content they need. Benchmark Academy offers interactive, engaging, and dynamic courses on a wide range of topics, led by some of the top experts in education today.
Hi, I'm Wiley Blevins.
I'm Patty McGee.
Welcome to Benchmark Academy.
Like the Professional Learning Suite, Writer's Workshop Made Simple, presented by award-winning educator and author Patty McGee.
Throughout my career, I've been committed to fostering classroom environments where all writers thrive, so their voices build a more inclusive and equitable world.
The Writer's Workshop Made Simple Learning Suite includes on-demand video classes that explore the 7 essentials for building a successful, streamlined writer's workshop in the classroom.
That makes so much sense. So you're making sure when you're reading a book to know that it's nonfiction.
This learning suite also provides access to a PD Essentials book and study guide, available in print and digital formats, a teacher e-notebook, and an implementation guide for leaders with information, skills, and tasks to support all teachers. Learn more about Benchmark Academy at benchmarkeducation.com.